this evening, Camden is playing by himself. Say hi, Camden. His big brother, Callan, is helping Daddy with the yard work outside. So it's just me and Camden inside the house. And I decided to set up his Go-Go Smart Wheels. It's the lift and repair shop and a Deluxe track set. And this is also the Go-Go Smart Wheels Raceway. I'm missing one of the cars, but we have... Oh, here we go. This is one of the Go-Go Smart Wheels. It's a race car. Oh, Camden just played with a fire truck. And we also have a hot rod. I think it's off. Let me turn it on first, and then you can hear the sound. There it is. Turn it on. There you go. There's the hot rod. And we also have a helicopter. This is Henry the helicopter. Oh, I don't think that's his name. But anyway, that's the helicopter. And we also have a police car. He's inside the repair shop. There it is. Alright, so this playset has activation points. This right here and that one right there. So every time your little one drives their vehicles on it, it activates the sounds, the music, and some learning phrases for them. I don't know how to connect the Raceway, but I guess we could. Anyway, he's having more fun with the Raceway. Hi, Camden. What's that? What do you have? It's a fire truck. Yeah? Okay, this is actually connectable and extendable play sets. And we got these as gifts for Christmas for the boys. And they haven't played with it for a while, so I decided to let him play with it while his big brother is outside helping with the yard work. You like that, Camden? Go! Let it go down! Woohoo! There it is! Yeah, ready, set, go! Alright, awesome! Go! Oh no, it's stuck! Put it back on the platform. There you go. Alright! Awesome! That is so cool! Oh, wee, wee, wee! Oh no! It's a crash! What are you holding? It's a fire truck. You get a fire truck? Okay, so this is just going to be a short video for tonight because we don't have Kuya Callan playing with us. Alright, say bye-bye, Camden. He's shy. Alright, so that's it. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.